was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand and said, let's leave now.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are doing my 2021 fall clean and decorate with me video. So we're doing a bunch of cleaning first, getting the house all nice and tidy on the main floor, and then we're going to decorate the whole main floor for fall. I'm just taking out all of my summer decor, so getting rid of the pillow covers that I was using for summer and just kind of making it a clean slate so that I can put my new decorations in.
Kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down.
Alright, I'm just taking off all of the packaging on all of the new decor that I bought this day, and then I'm going to clean off the table. Did anybody else have a hard time finding fall decor this year? I don't know if it was because of COVID, because I know that there's kind of supply chain issues across the country, at least here in Canada. I'm pretty sure the States is like that too. But I feel like it was just really hard to find pillows and pillow covers and anything for fall. So if you guys have the same problem, comment down below and let me know. I'm just laying out all of my fall decor here now so that I have kind of a blank table of just all of my fall decor, and then I can pick and choose where I'm going to place everything around my house. I'm making a fall cleaner today, so I'm using my Thieves cleaner, which already kind of smells like fall, but I'm going to add some extra orange and some Christmas spirit essential oil, really just to give those cozy, spicy vibes.
We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me, still your medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me, still your medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control.
finish cleaning up the stove. We'll also do the stove top with my Thieves soft scrub, and then we will get into decorating.
Weak for you, yeah, you, yeah, you. I'm weak for you, yeah, you, yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do?
I'm gonna let you guys listen to the music and watch me put out all of my decor, and then I will do a full decor tour and show you guys where I got everything and all of the new stuff.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you.
Okay, let's go through all of the fall home decor on the main floor now, and I'm going to show you what everything is and kind of where I got it all. So most of it is from HomeSense, so it's kind of hard to link, but if you have a HomeSense near you, I did get all of this fairly recently, some of it even today, so you should be able to find similar things in your HomeSenses. Usually they're all kind of the same if you live in Canada. Okay, so this pumpkin is from HomeSense. It's like a soft kind of plushy one, so I thought it would go good in the living room. This blanket is also from HomeSense. It's like a chunky chenille kind of knit blanket, and I think it's really cozy and adds those cozy vibes. All of the throw pillow covers are from H&M Home, so you can definitely order those online. They're available anywhere. They're linen. So these ones are just, as you can see, like a rust color, and then this like dark kind of hunter green color, which I love. Yeah, same cushions over here. So that is kind of everything in the living room. And then just moving over to the entryway, I got these candlesticks and the candles from H&M Home as well. The happy fall y'all little sign. I was trying not to use anything with sayings this year. I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of over like the farmhouse sayings, but that one's cute, so I figured I would just throw in one, but that's from Michael's from last year. And then these little pumpkins are also from Michael's from last year, and I thought that they looked really cute in this thing. So that is kind of the entry table, I guess. We have another entryway, but this is right when you walk in, like the main door to the main living area. So yeah, there's everything on there. Okay, and then I really changed up this for fall. So I really changed up my centerpiece. I kept the same table runner to tie the green into the couch cushions, but in the actual centerpiece, so I got this giant vase. It's huge from HomeSense. And then I got all of these little sticks from HomeSense as well. I'm not sure how I feel about these little pokey ones. And maybe it would just look good without them. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I'm not sure. I kind of moved them around a little bit and I definitely like it better, but I'm not sure if I love it. So we'll see if I change that. And then this candlestick is also from H&M Home, and I got this at HomeSense, but that was a few years ago. I've had that one for a while. Okay, now into the kitchen. So over here, I just have one pumpkin sitting here. This one's from HomeSense. There's always a ton of these. I thought this one was really cute, and it's glass, so it's easy to clean in the kitchen. And then over here, I just added these two little pumpkin mason jars, and I got both of those at Michael's. And then the star of the show, I think, in the kitchen. I think this looks so good. The wreath I got from Michael's, and then I just had a little hook and I actually hung it with some thread. So that's what kind of made it drop down a little bit. But yeah, I really think that that just looks so beautiful and really makes the kitchen look so fall-y. So I'm a big fan of that. I'll give you guys a close-up of the wreath. Just lots of fall colors kind of tying in the whole color scheme. And then I pulled out this for fall. These are vintage, I thrifted them, but yeah, sunflowers, yellow, very fall. Okay, I think that's kind of everything on the main floor and kind of the end of our fall decor video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope that it gave you some ideas for how to make your home nice and cozy for fall. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos like this, as well as a fall what's for dinner video coming soon. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will talk to you soon.